and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we'll talk about the support and resistance zones. Don't forget to follow our channel and like this video in order to get more useful knowledge. And also, if you don't have a Binance account yet and want to create one, you can click on the registration link which is in the descriptions of our video to register with the lifetime 20% fee discount benefit to Binance. Do not miss out this chance. Support zone is the place in the graphic which had a strong buying impact and pushed the price upwards. Resistance zone is the opposite of the support zone. It is the place in the graphic which had a strong selling impact and pulled the price down, as you can see in the graphic. They are statistically strong, but they can break easily if the market conditions change or the power of the buyers and sellers in those zones shift. As you can see, there is a breakout in the resistance zone, and after a breakout in the resistance zone, the price continues going upwards. The opposite thing is applied to the support areas. If a support zone gets a breakout, the price will continue going downwards. So, they are useful for our technical analysis, but never forget to put your stop loss orders to apply risk management rules to your trading life. In the technical analysis tutorial which has been prepared for you, we teach how to draw these lines. In this chapter of our futures tutorial, I will show you how to draw them on our Binance Futures interface. As we mentioned in the technical analysis related chapters of our tutorial, we need to set our graphic to trading view. After that, click on the first section's pointer at the left side of the graphic and choose the horizontal ray. When you click on it, you can identify the zones, and by clicking to them, you can easily draw your lines. Opening the magnet icon is beneficial for us because it helps us to place our horizontal ray. Let's try to find a resistance zone and give you an example. This is a resistance zone. As you can see, the price went up this far one time, then pullback happened, and when it tries to go up again, it got rejected from our resistance zone. This is the end of this chapter. In the next one, we will learn the difference between isolated and cross margin. As you know, we have talked about them in our first chapter. But in the next one, we will dive deeper. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next one.